S531 is a new generation of ultrasonic leak detector that helps users not only to quickly find leakages, but also offers recording and analyzing features. What's in the box? This video will guide you through the features and the operation. The standard set contains the following items: S531 handheld meter, a trumpet for long-distance detection, the wireless noise-isolated headset, battery charger and some other accessories, focus tip to locate tiny leaks at a close distance, and the leaks tags. The key components of the leak detector S531. Let's first explain the main components of the instrument. In the center, we have the power button, which is also used for taking photos during operation. The voice recording button is used to record comments related to the found leaks. The laser button switches on or off the laser pointer that can be used to locate the leak from a distance. Speaker and microphone are used for voice recording. The camera, used for photo taking. The USB port, used for file transfer, software updates and charging. The ultrasound sensor and the laser pointer. The components. Press the power button to boot up the device. We now switch on the instrument and explain the main screen. Leak sound dB level, it indicates the strength of the leak signal. Leakage grade. This indicates the grade of the leak and provides info if the leak is more important to repair or not. Leakage losses in liter per minute and costs per year. It indicates the estimated losses in liter per minute and shows the estimated costs of the found leakage. Sound level bar, it shows the intensity of the leakage. Sensitivity setting, it shows the sensitivity setting of the instrument. Sensitivity setting wheel, it is used to adjust the sensitivity of the instrument. S531 offer the user a variety of useful features. In this video we are going to focus on the most important ones. Click on the menu to access the device settings menu. Date and time can be set, but is usually not necessary as the device has an integrated real-time clock. Pairing of the headset is only required with a new headset. You can set the language in language set. Then you can adjust the brightness of the display. And some more settings such as speaker volume can be done here. Non-LMS mode operation. A leak detection project is managed by a survey. An S531 can work in non-LMS or LMS mode. LMS stands for Leak Management System, which is a dedicated software solution that is explained in another video. Before starting, we make sure that the survey settings are correct. Therefore please go to the device menu and click on Survey Start. Create a survey by entering survey ID and site name. Then press the Create button to create a new survey. After that, click on Survey Setting. In Media Settings, we select the gas type. In Pressure Settings, we can set the pressure of the compressed air system. This is important, as the calculation of losses will be based on this. Distance setting is important for the correct calculation of the leak flow rate. This is the distance between the S531 device and pipe system. You can select the flow unit in flow unit setting. Then you can select the pressure unit in pressure unit setting. You also need to specify operating hours per year, currency unit and costs in the selected currency per cubic meter. The cost setting are done in the menu where the operating hours per year, the currency unit and the costs per flow unit are set. These settings have to be done before the survey is started. Note that once you start a survey, the currency unit cannot be changed anymore. In such case, you must create a new survey with newly changed currency unit to start with. Then go to Survey Start. Press Start to begin the survey. And the survey on status is shown on the left top of the screen. This indicates that the survey is now running. To conduct surveys, make sure the headset is powered on. Put on the headset to scan the survey area with S531. Add the trumpet when seeking leaks from a distance. Adjust the sensitivity wheel according to the environment. If it is a noisy place, set it to a lower level and go closer to the leak point. You can adjust distance and pressure anytime by touching the screen. We recommend doing the leak recordings from a close distance. Scan for the leak area with the trumpet. Leaks are identified by a tone generated in the headset. Search for the highest sound level in the direction of the leak. Press the record button when finding the highest sound level. A leak record is created for the leak point. You can take up to 2 photos to identify the leak position. You can also highlight the leak position by pressing the Mark button. Besides the photos, we can also do voice recordings for later analysis or spare part ordering. After the photos and voice recordings are done, press the Complete button to finish the single leak record. Fill out the leak tag, and tie it close to the leakage point. This helps the repair technician to find the locations easier. To review a photo or a voice recording in a leak record, click the Leaks button on the screen. Then click the View button. You can review your single leak record step by step by clicking the Next button. You can review the picture and edit if needed. You can also add additional pictures if you have mistaken another one in the first place. You can listen to the voice memo again, and if it's not correct, record anew. Press the Complete button to finish the review. To save the leak records into a CSV file, you must stop the survey. To upload the survey records, simply connect S531 via the USB cable to the PC. Windows Explorer will show the folder contents to upload. The folder name is the survey ID name. Inside the folder there is a CSV file containing all recordings for report generation. Thank you for watching this instruction video. There are further videos available explaining the LMS mode and the operation in the leak management system. Stay tuned.